Welcome to myprojectbudget.com. Our product title is Hybrid Modulation Scheme for a High Frequency AC Link Inverter. Now we are going to discuss about our product abstract. In this paper, I describe a hybrid modulation scheme for high frequency AC link multi-stage inverter comprising the front end DC converters. This is the main objective for removal the DC link filters, even the conventional fixed DC link inverters placed after the AC pulsating DC converter stage. After and before and end of the stage voltage source inverters. The second, we are using the switching losses of the inverter by reducing the high frequency switching requirement of the pulsating DC to AC converter by 2/3 LD high frequency. Now we are improve the voltage utilization and reduce the current stress. Unlike the frequency DC link approach, in the high frequency AC link approach, hybrid the modulation enable the sine wave modulation switching information at the output of the AC pulsating DC to AC converter rather than filtering the fixed DC, reducing the high frequency switching requirement. Our process, the pulsating DC to AC converters overall the following the hybrid modulation scheme and operation of the high frequency AC link inverters using the hybrid modulation scheme. And then the last one, the compression of the efficiency of losses, current stress and the harmonic distortion between the hybrid modulation based the high frequency AC link inverters. And then fixed DC link inverters, the experimental of validation and the noted by the term of the hybrid modulations, so no similarity with the modulation scheme, the hybrid modulations. The hybrid converters, two type of the converters based on the slow and fast device reported the literature. In term of the hybrid modulation scheme is simply chosen because at any given time only one leg of the under high frequency while the other two legs do not switch. The outline the hybrid modulation scheme is unlike the all reported discontinuous modulation scheme, so as the input is DC and not the pulsating modulation DC. At most we have one leg of the stage permanently the DC to AC inverters. Now we are going to discuss about our product flow diagram. This is the input for the source DC voltage, and now we are giving the DC voltage for 100 voltage, and then this DC voltage we are going to convert the AC voltage. So these sections are DC to AC converters sections, and then we are using the 9 switches for frequency held bulk the expensive magnitude of the capacitor filters element the topology structures, and then we are giving the get the AC voltage and the transform we are using the this transform we are using the DC to AC and AC to DC converters we are getting from the 9 diode gate voltage frequencies, and then AC pulsating DC converters we are getting the DC voltage and get the break down the voltage attain the higher communicate frequencies for the high frequency AC link inverter topologies, the Novation hybrid modulations. And then modulations we are getting the DC to AC voltage, it get the PWM is the frequency of the modulation schemes unlike the reported modulation schemes. And then primary role of the modulation schemes, the single base pulsating DC to AC converters, and then we are getting the ACD converters. We are connecting the load approximately we are getting the which connecting using the load we are using the high frequency AC link. Now we are going to discuss about our running procedure. The product we have developed the simulating tool for the MATLAB 2009 versions. Now we are giving the input for the DC voltage, and then the converter models is using the converters. They are using the switching frequencies. The low switching frequency help the bulk, the expensive magnetics and capacitive filters elements, the complex topology structures. So the higher communication frequencies is same the device switching frequency. If the isolations required the conventional transforms, and then we have using the material also held the heavier and the costly is the recently developed the SIGMOS FET and the SI the Skakit diode, and with the higher the thermal conductivity on thermal sustain and higher permeability and efficiency of the transformers, we are using the overcome some these limitations clearly. The of the cap isolated high power and high frequency systems and have the attained significant attentions with the records the applications including the renewable alternative energies based to the systems. Then, towards the goal of the two frequency topology have the received attention of first topologies for the DC to AC converters, and then we referred the high frequency AC link topology. The second topology is referred to the fixed DC link topology is obtained from the DC link capacitor at the output of the AC pulsating DC converters. Both topologies have front and end the high frequency DC to AC converters followed by the AC pulsating DC converters and support the galvanic isolations. The two topologies differ the two output of the stage. The output stage of the fixed DC link topology is DC to AC voltage source inverters is that proceed the decoupling link capacitors, while the last stage of the high frequency AC link topologies is a pulsating DC to AC converters, which is not proceed the any decoupling link capacitors. Furthermore, the high frequency topologies and DC to AC converters is operated with the sine wave modulation. The pulsating DC to AC converter is operated by the hybrid modulations for the fixed DC link topology, and the DC to AC converters operators with the square wave from the final stage of the DC to AC converters. And then next, the high frequency inverters topologies, a new innovation of the hybrid modulations have been the forward and high frequency topologies. The modulation schemes reported the discontinuous modulation schemes where the input the DC and not the pulsating DC. And then overview of the hybrid modulation schemes for high frequency inverter operations. The concept regarding the operations of hybrid modulation schemes led the evolution of the switching sequence of the output stage pulsating DC to AC converters given the pulsating DC to DC link voltage waveform at the output of the AC pulsating DC rectifiers. The pulsating DC link voltage is down evolves from the bipolar high frequency modulation's output voltage waveform, the front end high frequency DC to AC converters. The two active phases of the DC to AC converter, because only maximum base to base voltage of the DC to AC converters feed AC pulsating DC converters. A great balanced 3-phase output using the pulsating DC link voltage at the output of the pulsating DC to AC converters. The two legs of the latter do not change the switching stage at all. The third leg has to be switched to the reconstruct the remaining output base. So now we are going to see the our product output screenshot. This is our output for the scope modulation software.